Dirty politics yung coalition ni Jagmeet Singh tsaka ni Trudeau. Nag-ano sila, no, nag-split up, but it just shows you na walang loyalty sa politics, right? So yan, at and then yung announcement ni Jagmeet Singh is pagka-sneaky din na mali siya sa coalition, and then all of a sudden atake niya si Poilievre, the other liberals. So, and it is announcing that he's running for prime minister, right? So I don't know, it's just my opinion out there, like it's a dirty politics ang nangyayari ngayon sa Canada, and it's not really helping out, Canadians. Just like in the Philippines, they're focusing on